Welcome to Solver Phi.
Hello student. So the question is to determine the second electron affinity of the oxygen. So here we will be using the Born-Haber cycle for the SRO, serotonin for the strontium oxide. So let's see the first steps in the Haber cycle for the formation of the SRO. So here the first step is the sublimation of the SR. So strontium, for the sublimation of the strontium. So we have been given the delta H of the sublimation and it is equal to 164.4 kilojoule per mole. Now the second, the B, after this there will be the first ionization of the strontium to strontium plus the electron release happens. So here the ionization energy 1 is equal to 549 kilojoule per mole, and then the C part is there will be the ionization of the strontium plus ions. So here to form the strontium 2 plus ions. So here the strontium plus ions forms strontium 2 plus ions by releasing one electron. So here the ionization energy 2 is equal to, so here it is equal to 1064 kilojoule per mole. Now the D is the dissociation of the oxygen to form 2O. So here the oxygen gas dissociate to form the 2O negative ions. So here the bond dissociation energy will be half. So because there are two oxygen ions which are formed, so it is equal to 498 kilojoule per mole divide by 2. So here it is equal to 249 kilojoule per mole. Now the other steps in the Haber cycle is Born-Haber cycle is the electron affinity of the oxygen to form the oxygen negative gas. So here the delta H of the electron affinity 1 is equal to minus of 142 kilojoule per mole, and F is the second electron affinity of oxygen to form the oxygen 2 negative ions. So here the delta H of EA electron affinity 2 is equal to, so here we need to calculate it. And the other step is we have been given the formation of SRO, strontium oxide. So the delta H of the lattice energy is equal to minus of 3217 kilojoule per mole. Now the final is the formation of SRO from SR and O2 gas. So here we have been given the delta H of formation of the SRO, which is equal to minus of 592 kilojoule per mole. So in this case, so now we can use the Hess law to relate these steps. So regardless of the order in which they occur, in this case we can write the following equation using the Hess law. So here the delta HF is equal to delta H of the sublimation plus the ionization energy 1 plus the ionization energy 2 plus the delta binding energy divided by 2 plus the delta H of EA 1 plus the delta H enthalpy of electron affinity 2 of oxygen plus the delta H of lattice energy. So this is the lattice energy. So here let's put the values in this equation. So we'll get this equation. Now from here by rearranging we'll get the delta H of electron affinity 2, and here it is equal to So by calculation, the delta H of electron affinity of the oxygen is 941 kilojoule per mole. So this is the answer. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.